Okay, I'm gonna take one of these Nutter Butters, break them in half so we can fit them right there. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna grab my Tillamook vanilla ice cream. Oh yeah. And we are gonna grab a couple scoops and place it right on top of our Nutty Buddies. Just like this. All right, now I'm gonna grab my spatula and we are just gonna smooth this down. We want a nice layer of vanilla ice cream. So I used about 3/4 of that big ice cream container. And we want a good layer on top of our Nutty Buddies. We don't wanna see those Nutty Buddies no more. This is delicious just with the ice cream, but you know I have to add a little bit more because this is for my friend's birthday. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, that looks good enough. Now I'm gonna grab my Skippy peanut butter. This is the creamy peanut butter, and I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, and we are gonna drizzle this right on top. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good, you guys. Just add to that delicious peanut butter flavor. And I used half of this jar of peanut butter.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Okay, just grab another spatula and just smooth at it, kind of marble it with the ice cream. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a delicious layer. It kind of makes peanut butter ice cream. Perfect. Now, peanut butter would not be complete without its best friend, chocolate. So now we're gonna use chocolate ice cream and we're gonna do a layer of chocolate ice cream right in there. Put all that chocolate ice cream on there, and now we are going to smooth that out just like we did with the vanilla ice cream. This big chunk needs to be spread out.
Yeah, demolish that big chunk.
Yeah. Woo. All right. It's not perfect. It's a little rocky, but not rocky road. It is going to be delicious, however. So we have 2 more ingredients. Now we're going to grab some peanuts.
Peanuts.
Yeah, and we're just gonna do a nice little toss right on top of that chocolate ice cream. Oh yes. Okay.
I can load it up.
Yeah. All right, beautiful. That looks so good. Now for the last but not least ingredient, hot fudge. And we did microwave this, so it is just gonna come right out, and we are going to douse those peanuts. Oh yeah. Okay, grab our spatula.
And you found this fudge where? At
the grocery store.
A normal grocery store?
Yeah, Smith's. Smith's grocery store. It has the best hot fudge.
That's like Safeway, right?
Yeah. Woo! Okay, let's kind of give that a nice little mix.
Look at how silky smooth and delicious that fudge looks.
Give it a nice marble with that ice cream to make it extra pretty. Okay, you guys, this is almost ready. We're gonna pop this in the freezer for 2 hours and then we're gonna eat it up. All right, our delicious ice cream Nutty Buddies are ready. Okay, let's go ahead and cut through. Let's hope that this ice cream hardened up. Oh yeah, would you look at that? That looks so good.
I want to see the layers.
Look at that layer.
Wow.
Okay, you guys. If I had some Ready Whip, I would put that on top, but you know what? Just go for it. I want a little bit of everything. Oh my gosh, that Nutty Buddy. Oh yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, okay.
Is it good?
It's so good, you guys.